Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers, and Patreon members, we appreciate your continued support. At our channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who firmly believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen. However, we do not extend this respect to those who disregard these principles. We strongly support preemptive strikes because they save lives, prevent the further loss, and promote safety. Now, that's a logical conclusion because preemptive strike save lives and prevent the further loss of life. Our mission is clear: to save lives and stand against criminals. We are not a platform for criminals. We do not seek your views, subscriptions, likes, thumbs up, or comments. This channel is a sanctuary for justice. We firmly believe that criminals belong in prison or the departure lodge. At Madden, we do believe that criminals must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. If you are new to the Jamaica Young Police channel, we invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscription button and selecting all on the bell. You will stay informed whenever we release a new video. This channel is not about entertainment. It's about education, inspiration, and motivation. Our aim is to instill deep-seated aversion and hatred to criminals and corrupt police officers in our viewers. And we said criminal, but we're talking the thief in police and the one who broke people house, broke people store, and all these things. And the police them a shake down the look of people them. Additionally, we have a Patreon channel where you can access exclusive videos that are not available on YouTube due to its rules and regulations. By subscribing to our Patreon, you show your support for our cause, and it's less than a cup of coffee. Thank you for being a part of our community. Now, let's move on to today's video. So, we'll continue the journey. This is part 5 of 5. So this is the last of the series, of Detective Corporal Blake sharing some of his experience of being shot and shot twice, once by police officers and all the corruption, and he mentioned about the corrupt police officers and things that happen even in Upper St. Andrew. People when them have money, they have immunity from prosecution. As you heard him says, a man came out and fired 6 shots. Fired 6 shots at the police, and he was able to enter the yard, and the man threw on his firearm and nothing happened. They released the man because the man had some big shot friend, and the man was arrested and charged for shooting at them. So that goes to show you how things, and that happened not when the Jamaica Labour Party was in power. That was when PMP in power. And I can tell you this because I know even Meverell Smith, and I can tell you Meverell Smith, Meverell Smith are hard-working police. Yeah, when we say Meverell are ordinary police. Meverell are like now. And Meverell are ordinary police. The man they are worker. Yeah, Meverell are big time departure long specialist. I tell you that because I know that from my youth and them thing there. You understand? Because before I even joined the police force, but the man embedded deep in the politics too, you understand? The man never hide it, say them a PMP police. But most police always feel like say me a politician like them. But me not a PMP police, me a police. I'm born and grew in a PMP community, and I see what they have done. They have destroyed many lives, so I did not. That's why I never subscribed to that kind of policing, because once I do it, so you understand. I can tell you, even the woman named Arlene McBean, where she's hooked on to the PMP criminal organization, she don't know them people there. And we see them they have killed. We see them destroy big youth amount of labor a big youth kill for PMP, and them see him and kill him, Tony Welch kill him. So we can't tell you that. So let them continue and feel like say, because they don't know PMP now have no loyalty when they come on to people. You understand? all you're supposed to be a team Jamaica. Look out for your colleague and look out for Jamaica. Don't be in a political party. Anytime you start doing that, you start lose your way. Born and raised in the ghetto, PMP community, see a lot of things, know a lot of things. And that's why nobody could recruit me. So we'll continue the journey. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. Good police, you have good police where them, the same corrupt police them destroy them career. So once you're connected, you understand? One thing with me learn, cause get to me born and go. One thing with me learn. It no matter how police feel like them and criminal a friend, the criminal them a go attack and them a attack. So them a call your name. That's why me be careful who me share information with. You understand? It's like evil. I want to tell you something. And I soon talk with the senior superintendent, my class captain, about a boy him kill a man in a Westmoreland. I mean I show you how Jamaica, him kill a man in a Westmoreland, wanted, and the boy migrate from Jamaica to America, and him an American citizen now. And him is a wanted man. I don't know if the police them they gazette him, but I don't know if the police them they gazette this boy and them thing. Them get about 3 weeks ago him get shoot up, Depon him and him wife get shot up, upstate New York, Hey, look here, I never used to work at Westmoreland, I see him people, you understand? I give me the information and them I say, boy, I support this, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, the boy get shot up, him kill a man who work with National Housing Trust. You understand? And the boy get for migrate come a foreign. Yes, he get for migrate come to America. Although I'm a criminal and I'm an American citizen now. And they ask me how this happen. Because we have corrupt politicians in Jamaica. We are send the criminal them come to America. I give them clean police record. And them come to America and them still not change. Both political party do it. You understand? All the better when name Delroy, you have Chuck. And the other one, the Orius Strong. They must send criminal come to America for destroy the people in them country. And you know about it, so you want to stay far from them. As we said to you before, you have two political parties. One of them is just a little bit better than the other. We never say better, If we did say better, that means it's oceans. You understand? One is just a little bit better. So what we just want betterment. Because all the simple thing them when it come on to all the political party and them thing, you're not supposed to have no politician in them day and age who are sympathetic to criminal. You give man clean police record for come to America. Man wanted at Jamaica. All the boy where they all wanted at Jamaica and come to Jamaica and them kill him in a Christmas gun. All that. All them things there happening and them things there. Because of corruption in the system, man, connected politically. You understand? Like a brother named Peter, but why me we will get back our country. And like people, we say whether or not to know how to believe it, we say it already and we'll say it again, we did don't tell you, say one day, we're going to have a bloodbath in a Jamaica Parliament. And on one side it will go affect. Because the other one side, they believe in a democracy, And the side they believe in a democracy are asleep. Them a little bit better than the other one, And them naive. Them don't understand what happening and them thing there. Them allow the other side to dismantle everything will work and protect the people them in their country. And then because them are criminal minded, the Jamaica Labour Party is a criminal minded organization as a PMP. Because if they weren't a criminal organization, if they weren't a criminal organization party as a PMP, they would have reinstate back special branch. Yeah, so that's what we are saying. We just how to get back our country. It's have to be all hands on deck. We cannot leave a country to these people for allow them to continue to manipulate the Jamaican people and destroy them life, because these people they're making crazy money from all the crimes. Them dismantle the CIB, as we said before. Those of you who knew, remember back in time when you have name brand police officers. When we say officer, we're not talking no dibby police. We are talking name brand police. Like our people did at Spanish Town, all Ludlow Mowat, Charlie Mendez, and them bad detective there. You understand? You see it. In a community which where me born and grow and them thing there. Yeah. You have this man here, them a 2-man panically say, where you used to run the place, You understand? Isaiah Leng and the great Tom Levine. We not gonna have no detective like them police here again in Jamaica. Because the system makes certain so that not happen again. Because them have to protect them criminal friend. So what them do now, them have CTAC, yeah, them create CTAC, and CTAC is over there to do forget rid of who them want to get rid of. Me not really see it as, you understand. And then you have these little young police officers where them are use. Some of them are get mad and all them things. One of the young police officer where you say that CTAC will get mad. You understand? But them now make the family them know and them things. You cannot use young police officer to do something. Them things have to be done by people who are senior. But them can't use the senior people they know. So them are use the little young police them. And fair man say, you understand? So I just say look. We applaud all of the good police them work and them love Jamaica. And them love them job and them believe in Jamaica. We appreciate all of the law abiding citizens in Jamaica. We uphold the law and them trust in them police. Not all of them, but some of them. And as we say, we not bash the uniform police, but we just attack from what the people say. You can't trust them. They're them a thief. Some of them, not all of them, because the OST, only special thief, them are the one who brought the people them store and rob all the Chinese them. And the detective had do it. Because the detective impotent, the detective them go work and sit down in the office. So I don't know how them operate and them thing in that kind of realm. And it was deliberately done by the PMP criminal organization, and the Jamaica Labour Party continued. Just like how them find how much coke in a airport, Ian Flemings, up to now, nobody no go to jail, and them have camera inside it. So them expect the whole way are just idiot, they are big head, but that will not have sense. You could have been, you could have choose to be elsewhere, but you decide to spend the time with us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel today. Yeah, and we appreciate that you take the time out to spend it with us, and I hope you learn something today. And as time goes by, we continue to bring you on special guests. We're going to next week we're gonna let you hear from an intelligence officer. Tell you about before the Tivoli incursion and what lead up to it and all of this. Whether or not you want to believe it, crime go right back to the 63 people them in the parliament. So all I want to tell you about say the little man them and Ninja Man and Vibes Cartel and the boy and them, they are not the problem. The problem is 63 people in the parliament and both sides of the aisles. The Labour right them and the PMP. You understand? You have some good people in the Labour Party, Yeah. Like all the old man on him, Favor, the bald man. Yeah. She epitome of what a black woman is. Favor Williams. You understand? And but as we tell you, so one of them is just a little better than the other. One of them they are no shame, Yeah, we are telling you that, period. So thanks, for spending time with us. As we say, you could have been elsewhere, you choose to spend it with us. So just continue, doing what you do. So you have heard from the great detective. Yes, and you have heard Detective Corporal Evan Blake, yeah man, and they call him on the street. They call him Blake, yeah man, and he was known for his fearless approach to tackling crime. Blake, I want to youth them will come through our school and everything that after that. Yeah, we don't brag and boast about the youth, man. You understand what I'm saying? But we can't tell us, yeah, and no guy can. We can't tell us, one of the best youth we come through, our school, a youth named Errol Getta Thompson. Yeah man. Yeah man, and we tell you say we taught him well and them thing there, and trust me. And you have some great youth, and you understand some of them lose all them mental capacity, them not still have it and them thing there. You understand? Two of them lose it, lose it mentally. But some still, some of them still about some, laying low. Them not get nothing out of this thing. Blake, why one of them him get two gunshots and them thing. One from a M16 and the next one from a boy 9. But we give God thanks that we are still here and we never, we never receive any gunshots. So thank God, you understand what I'm saying. But we can tell you, during our time, the one of the baddest police, any police who work at St. Andrews out and in a Kingston metropolitan area, I can tell you. Yeah man, one of my students, man, Errol Getta Thompson, the baddest thing that they passed through during the little 3 years there. Yeah man, my youth, that I tell you. So I come out of a good school and them thing like we're not playing a guy, you understand, from a guy when you try to take with life and them thing there, yeah man. Straight to the departure lounge, I just saw it go. So yes, as we tell you now, so Detective Blake here, yeah man, he was fearless with unwavering commitment to justice. But him faced danger head on, never backing down from a challenge. But his reputation for bravery and determination made him a respected figure in the law enforcement community. Yeah man, Blake was, when you have bad police and anything, they almost say bad, we are talking about fearless, like a Tom Levine and Isaiah Lang, and you're treated like a celebrity, In the police world, you have celebrity police too, so whether or not you want to believe it or not, tell you that, Yeah man, and I wanna, yeah, of course, you have celebrity police in the police force. Yeah man, enter you go certain place, one man treated like a real celebrity. Some people it might get to your head and this ego and a man say, wait, some man that didn't know you and a man say, hey, and a man name, and a man name Blake, and a man name him name Getta, him name Ox one a day, and him name Cowboy, and him name is a Hunter or a gunter, and them say, oh, the great Bobby Reds that, and a man I say, hey, so from the youth I hear about them man there. Yeah, I just saw it go, you understand? Yeah. And man, they say, boy, yeah, that's great. Ivan Thompson, that, And I say, the man, the name is a Thompson. And he looks so like him can't mash hands. Yeah, man, and him that, and you understand? Yeah, so I just saw it go in police work and them thing there. But, yeah, man, his reputation for bravery and determination made him respected in a law enforcement community. Whether solving complex cases or confronting dangerous criminals. You hear him tell you about some corrupt police officer and we can't tell you about them too, because we never mince the words and all of them things there, you understand? Yeah, we all stay so and one and two little things and we are telling us some senior police, the man they lick down the sing fence in a catbird pen, we are telling you, yeah man. Yeah, me and my boy Getta, Even the boy Ricky Bailey was there too, but I just saw it go. So on the day that Nunu Puss, him tell you about the day Nunu Puss disguised himself as a doctor. He infiltrated the Kingston Public Hospital and killed a police officer and Cassie from Payne Avenue, Kingston 11. Cassie was a boy, although he come from Payne Avenue, he have connection now at Tivoli and everything. You understand? Or, see, no guy can just going off with them turf and do things. So you have to have some form of connection, so you don't know betray. You understand what I'm saying? So the shocking incident underscore the lens. Criminals will go to and highlight their dire state of security within critical public institutions. So Tivoli Gardens Dan Christopher Dudu's Cook significantly influenced the security at Kingston Public Hospital. His control extended to various aspects of the community and public institutions, illustrating the depth of his power, within Kingston. The state allegedly aided Christopher Dudu's Cook, and them allow Christopher Nunu Puss Miller to commit murder at Kingston Public Hospital by granting him free access. This assistance highlighted the deep-rooted corruption and collusion within specific segment of the state apparatus allowing criminals to carry out violent acts with impunity. Detective Blake is one of the most fearless and dedicated officers of his time in the Jamaica Constabulary Force history. He represented the last of distinguished name brand detectives known for their unwavering integrity, stellar reputation, and unwavering commitment to ethics, honesty, and decency. Although you know one time them frame him spend all 6 months at jail and the man still, hey, me I tell you, the man is a real patriot, you know. Imagine police free me and you're at jail. 6 months, you know, yeah man. And me I tell you, so the man come back and still work. Me don't know how him do it. Police free me, you know, because True Blake is a man that work and them thing. The police free me and tell lie and you know. The people them get all witness enough for come on parade. Not as complainant, you know, so them witness the man a commit crime and there's no complainant, you know. At 6 months the man spend at jail at Westmoreland, you know. Over 6 months. I don't know how him do it, but I had warning before, you know. I had warning before him went down there that was going to happen. That the man, you understand, me tell him say, you understand, but he never listen. And that me I tell you, I had told him, you know, before him got sent there, me tell him, you know, say, Virgin, this is how it happened and them thing. Me tell him, you know, because the man did want Cowboy. Yeah man, because Cowboy went after a brother when he Dian, them call him Francis Young. Him went after Dian, Francis Young. The thing is that now, Cowboy now, and cause him no foul. Cause Cowboy, you know, the man ain't no friend with nobody because the man ain't not a loyalty to nobody, you know. For your money, the man are so foot people, the man keep friending, you know. Cause one time Cowboy did live at Tower, you know. Me, Ban and Grow, Johnson and Joe. You think me asleep at them the place? Then the man have the police vehicle up and everything. The man said in the place I carouse the place, you know. Not because, as me say, not because them shoot off of me up there and them thing, but me know say gun there. And me know say a whole heap of gunman live and them thing there. And yeah, but because him there with the dance sister, scandal and pump up and all of them people there. Yeah, I hope they man live as crime chief, you know. You understand? And a PMP in a power and a labor community there. And guess what? Them man they a big PMP, you know, and they live. So and you have to wonder, so weird. And what role them man they play in them community as police? You understand? I just saw it go on them thing there. So it was him that them really want and them thing there, but Blake just get caught in a crosshairs. And the man them at 6 months him do a jail and the man come back, you know. And the man still works him, you know. Go get 110%, you know. And I saw him get the second and I saw him get the shot, the man them thing there. Boy, I mean I tell you. But I just saw it go, just part of him life that. But him blessed still though, you know, because where I tell you say right now in 2024, yeah man, Blake do better than most of them right now in America. I tell you that. I'm glad, I'm proud of him and I'm thinking, you know, a good youth. One thing with him still, him kind of, him too soft, him have a little touch of too much kindness. I'm tell him all the way, him too, me tell him all the time and him thing, you know, because one thing I learn from my mother, you know, you see some dog and them hungry. Yeah man, don't feed them, you know, because sometimes they just want a little food for bite you. Me don't know that them thing there, yeah. And me forgive but me no forget. Me no forgive you and make you come around. No, you can't do that. No sir. For you try to hurt me and them thing there, that's it. But you know, I just saw him stay and them thing there. That is, you know, that I was see that as one of him weakness. Good youth, but good hearted youth. I just saw him stay. But yeah, my heart good still flowing, but you know, make it, you know, weird for my shoulder and everything there. You understand? As you hear me tell him, you know, with the incident of a conscience, with that man, hey, I'm lucky I just Blake. If I mean, a different thing. Female will not be a 50% like I tell him. We are 0. So, unfortunately, his journey has been marred by betrayal and injustice. Blake, whose primary mission was to protect and serve, was a target within his ranks. His relentless pursuit of justice and refusal to disregard corruption made him enemies among those who were supposed to be his colleagues. As a result, he was not only shot twice, but also framed by fellow officers who were protecting their criminal associates. You know, and any young police will listen to this, you know, if you listen to what I have said, you know, that will save your life, you know, no police won't shoot you, you know. Just when you go upon a raid or you go upon an operation, you know, I tell the man them, if you are, well, I don't know if detective go upon a raid anymore, because detective impotent right now. You just make a man know, say, hey, look here. You see, when you look for me, you know, if you shoot me, I'm dead. I shoot you back, you know. And when I shoot you, I shoot you for your injury, I shoot for kill you. Because you are not try to kill me. All of we train for use firearms. So you can't tell me about no gun no go off. A gun can't go off. Breeze can't make no trigger go off. Or your finger. So you can't come shoot me and tell me sorry. That's the only way you were able for the police can won't shoot you and you're able to live. Yeah, because a lot of time friendly fire. Meaning that. No, any police shoot me tell them say me I shoot you back. I mean I shoot if you go in the hospital. No sir. Because you shoot me, shoot you, you're mad. So that's why we give God thanks. Yeah, some people say we're mad on them things, but yeah, madman still the boat on them things, you understand? Yeah. So sometimes you have to adapt some mad principle according to them. Unorthodox principle, and we keep it true and keep it safe. Still there you on them thing there. You understand? So yeah man, so Blake's story is a powerful testament to his courage and resilience. Even when his own life was threatened and his freedom unjustly taken, he stood firm in his principles. His experience highlights the urgent need for systemic reform and protection of those who genuinely strive to uphold the law. Detective Blake's unwavering dedication and love for Jamaica shine brightly in a world where true heroes are often overshadowed by corruption and deceit. His story inspires, reminding us of the profound impact that one individual armed with integrity and sense of duty can have in the fight for justice and the betterment of society. So as you hear, as you heard Detective Blake tell you, that even when he was shot on duty, yeah man, he was shot in the line of duty. You see what happened? Yeah man, the brother named Richard Stewart, yeah man, the man make them stop the man play, man. So that's why we're telling you, the first crime you committed as a police officer, when you get shot on duty, the first crime you get, you understand, is to be shot in the line of duty. You understand? I tell you that. That are the first thing. When you get shot in the line of duty, you lose some allowance and all of these things. And the worst thing, you get shot, the man almost dead, and them stop the man pay. So what you want him to do? Force him to come back. That's one style what them use, But them force him to come back around. Same thing, I same thing happened to Kirk Palmer, although him dead. But bad police, but he was a big rear admiral, all I used to, dep on team. And yeah. And one time them find out him we are rear admiral. Eventually him come back to the force. So when the man not talk about say boy Jamaican homophobic. No, we not homophobic. If we homophobic, we don't work with Kirk Palmer. And even when Kirk Palmer get shot, I wouldn't take him up off the ground and put my 5 finger in the 5 hole them in his chest. When him bleed, when him blood them a spray like pipe and hold it, blood up my hand and all them things and my clothes. And me know say my big rear admiral. So no guy can't come tell me about say we're homophobic. A guy go with that. Because we never see him as no rear admiral, we see him as one of our colleagues. But we know say I'm a rear admiral, you understand? And then I see him, we don't make it this him and them things. Because I'm a worker, bad police. But say I see him rear admiral life, cost him life. Because he was a big time rear admiral, and you understand, I just saw it go. So we want you, to show you how the police force itself and how the corruption is rampant. If you're not connected, we see policeman, we're on suspension and get a promotion because they're connected. You understand? We say we're telling man, them have the system. You see, if you're not connected and everything, you just saw it go. But hey, we give God thanks for life and we give God thanks for everything, because without God, we would not be here. And we thanks Detective Blake sharing some of his story. And look, we have a lot more we can share, because both of we used to work in the same place, and you understand. And so hey, look here, when it come on to young police, and to become detective and them things, it's yours truly always can see the man them and know say, hey, you see that youth there. We know, you understand what I'm saying. The only youth and them thing there, him never had no time. For some reason I want you to name Blackwood, and guess what? And a good thing too, because Blackwood a thief. As we say, for your hard work and for your thief, that diminish you and them thing. Yeah, Blackwood are one police man. Big thief. You see they won't clap it, cowboy them and them thing. But I saw it going there. You can't run in the money unless you're a thief. And then the man and I use a good police. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel. Out.